Hi.
Okay, well, I'm Simon from Johannesburg, and I must say this hotel is in a perfect location. Easy walk to the middle of town, to the museums. It's really the best possible location in a great neighborhood. We love the staff. Everyone's very friendly. The rooms are very, very comfortable, and great breakfast. I would definitely recommend this to anyone visiting Jerusalem.
Thank you.
Justine from Johannesburg. I've been living in Jerusalem for 4 months, and it's been really amazing to be in Rehavia. It's just a great suburb. It's so easy. There's so much stuff to do here. So I've loved being in this hotel. It's so gorgeous. Breakfast is delicious. I definitely recommend.
Thank you.
I'm Larry from Johannesburg, South Africa, and I agree with everything that they say. What's also nice about the location is there are lots of eating places. Everywhere you go, there's fabulous places, services, and also staff. Fantastic. Also recommend.
Thank you.
Judy, also from Johannesburg, South Africa, part of the family, and I love being here. I'm very sad to leave. It was part of Jerusalem. I'm so happy in the hotel, and I would definitely come back.
Thank you very much.